Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Permission and give them their doer according to what is fair, neither committing fornication nor taking secret paramours, and if after they are married they commit adultery, they shall have half the punishment prescribed from a free woman. This is for those of you who fear lest and should fall into sin, but that it is better for you to practice self-restraint. God is most forgiving and merciful. God wishes to explain things to you and guide you to the ways of those who have gone before you and to turn to you in mercy. God is all-knowing and all-wise. He wishes to turn towards you in mercy, but those who follow their own passions want you to drift far away from the right path. God wishes to lighten your burdens, for man has been created weak. Believers do not wrongfully consume each other's wealth, but trade with it by mutual consent. Do not kill one another, for God is most merciful to you. If anyone does these things through transgressions and injustice, we shall cast him into the fire, and that is easy for God. If you shun the great signs you have been forbidden, we shall cancel out your minor misdeed and admit you to a place of honor. Do not convert the bounties with which God has bestowed more abundantly or some of you than on others. Men shall be rewarded according to their deeds, and women shall be rewarded according to their deeds. You should rather ask God for their bounty. God has knowledge of all things. We have appointed heirs for everything that parents and close relatives leave behind. As for those with whom you have entered into agreements, let him too have their due. God is witnesses to all things. Men are protectors of women because God has made some of them exile from others, and because they spend their wealth on them. So virtuous women are obedient and guard in the husband's absence. What God?